Thinking about applying for a partner visa in Australia? It's an exciting step, but it can also be quite complicated. Let me walk you through what you need to know. To be eligible, you must be in a genuine relationship with an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or eligible New Zealand citizen. You will need to provide proof of your relationship, like marriage certificate, de facto relationship certificate, evidence of living together, joint bank accounts, shared bills, or even travel history together. There are two types of partner visas, the 820 and 801 for those applying onshore, and the 309 and 100 for offshore applicants. And if you're planning to marry, the subclass 300 prospective marriage visa is for you. Now, many people think they can manage the process on their own, but here's where it gets tricky. Partner visa applications often get refused because of simple errors, like not providing enough evidence or misunderstanding visa conditions. A refusal can mean lengthy delays, or worse, you might have to start the process all over again. This is where a reputable migration professional comes in. We ensure your application is complete, compliant, and has the best chance of success. With expert knowledge and experience, we guide you through the complexities, helping you avoid those fatal DIY mistakes. Let's take the stress out of the visa process. Book your consultation with us today. Let's get you one step closer to securing your partner visa in Australia.